Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Prissy and I'm back again with another video. So in today's video you're going to see the stuff we did to get ready for this trip. So as you can see my background, I'm not at home, we're in a different setting. Yeah. So this is how we prep to get ready for the trip and the travel day. Yeah, so stay tuned, watch to the end and subscribe.
Plenty so far we face. Just to make your money. Some people they go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to love. Don't tell me what's it go? You want to all the money, the cash, ride the boat, I go beat, die for nothing. What's it go? You want to all the money, the cash, ride the boat. I know different things that happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my boat, I'm paddling. Shout out, Bella, that's my bro, my family. Rose and trace. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. But I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shit, I'll be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it going? You are going, all the men, the cash, ride the foot, I go feet, die for nothing. What's it going? You are going, all the men, the cash, ride the foot, I go feet, oh no, I go now.
So say bye to my YouTube channel for today. Bye. Princess, say bye to the YouTube channel. Bye. So we are here to buy some stuff. And you know where I'm at. Alex. I'm to my phone.
Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on my knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us?
Yeah, tired of me. I'm good time.
You find me ugly and one day you disappear. Cause the point of crying, it was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough?
Say hi. I'm good today. Where's your friend?
It's the sunrise and those brown eyes. Yes. You're the one that I desire. When we wake up and then we make love, it makes me feel so nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the talent all I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, then you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part. If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you?
Let me explain. I'm not cold. My fingers are cold. Shaky. They'll give it to us. They need to Sorry. out of TSA. And we are now walking to our gates. Our gate is like the farthest one. I don't know why it's far away from everything. Okay, now you now have to go all the way back. I'm not doing that. Nice, you want to say hi? Why don't you want to say hi? Okay, we found our gates, but there's no one here. So Nancy and I come to give you a story time of what happened when we come to land. So messy. Mine will be coming. We were there, no. We are coming to land. I hope they can hear me because somebody's sleeping in front of us. If I shout, they will feel me. Yankodra. Yankosha. Oh, we are coming to land. I said, This one was not landing, it was dropping. Hello. Was dropping. Why? Oh, really? I hope you notice me landing. How are we not supposed to notice? The noise you made. How are we not supposed to notice? My bag literally jumped and fell. The plane did bing. Are they supposed to land slowly? Even if it's bing, not bing. It's like bing. What the hell? So yeah, I'm going to look for some food. We don't know what we eat yet, but I hope it's like something familiar like Burger King or something. I don't know, the thing about these places is like you expect it to taste okay because it's outside, but it tastes the same as Ghana. You know, Burger King can be dry something. Let's see what we're going to get. I think I'll not even buy Burger King again. But so that they have like any breakfast place, so you can buy something. It is morning. Yeah, but you need to eat breakfast. I want something like a yogurt bowl or something. That will even be cheaper than the. Missy, I cry as well sick home. Maybe Drew have me set my phone. I have already me on me looking fresh. You think your camera is not clear until you leave your country. Let's take picture. Thumbnail. Try matcha abroad. Another matcha. Set it out. It didn't put a strong chance.